Hello, so you are ready to use your facial in a box kit, and I'm going to talk you through how to do this facial at home so you can make the most of your products and get that super glowy skin and maintain your results in between treatments. So in this kit you have some cleanser, some moisturizer, a collagen face mask, some amazing eye patches which go underneath the eyes and really are great for hydration. We've got a face cloth, we've got an incredible massage tool, which is a jade roller in this kit. We've got a lovely candle and some chocolate just to set the mood so you can really make it an experience and enjoy every second of it. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to do our cleanse first. So you have 2 sachets in your box. You can either use it for a double cleanse or keep the next cleanser for the next day, obviously depending on what you've got on your skin. If you do have quite a bit of makeup, then I would always recommend doing this double cleanse. If not, then use one tonight and then save one for the morning. So we just open it up, squeeze out the contents, and just give yourself a really nice facial massage and get all that superficial dirt off, all the products of the day. You want to make sure you've got a lovely clean canvas for all the other goodies that are going to be put on the skin in a minute. Okay, so that's facial cleanse done. I now have my face cloth, which I've wet, and I'm just going to use it to remove the products from my skin. But the face cloth is actually going to give me a form of exfoliation as well. So you're going to get what we call a mechanical exfoliation, where the face cloth is physically taking off any dead skin cells as well as superficial dirt and products of the day. As you can see, my skin does go a little bit pink when I do this, and it's just because it is quite touch sensitive, but because it is slightly abrasive being a face cloth, we know that it's going to do a really sort of mild exfoliation as well, which is great for preparation of the mask that we're going to pop on next. Okay, facial cleanse done. So now is the exciting bit. We have our iPads, which are so nice. I love these. I tend to pop them on and then I will sit and watch TV and wait for them to really truly absorb into the skin nicely. So make sure you get the most of them. And then you have your Protocol collagen mask as well. So what I would do is pop the mask onto my face and then the iPads under my eyes, and I will show you how to do that now. So the Protocol collagen mask, you don't need a huge amount, so there's actually quite a bit in here and you'll get a good few treatments out of it. But you can just use your finger, just pop it onto the skin. And what it's going to do is it's going to help stimulate collagen production. It's going to be great for promoting moisture in the skin as well. It's going to really hydrate the cells, make them nice and glowy, and just give your skin that really beautiful glow that we all strive for and we all get from our lovely facial treatments that we have. And oh, this smells really good as well, actually. Really nice. So I've got a lovely thin layer of that on now, and then what I'm going to do is open my eye patches and I'm going to pop them on as well. Okay, so I've opened my eye patches and they look like this. So what you want to do is you want to get the thinner end up into the corner of the eye and the thicker end at the outside of the eye, just so that you make sure you're covering the main bits. What this eye mask is going to do is it's really going to hydrate the area. It's going to make your eyes look a lot more awake, look refreshed. It's really great for hydrating, and it helps with any puffiness and dark circles as well. So it's a brilliant treatment for the under eyes, and you can literally get right up to your lash line. Just smooth it on nicely so that they're nice and stuck. And then yeah, leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can go and sit and watch TV. I'm going to open my little chocolates and enjoy one of those. So leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then I will come back and I will show you how to do your massage over your moisturizer. I hope you enjoy your chocolate as much as I do. I don't know about you, but I ate all 3 chocolates, and they were delicious, and I don't even feel guilty because this is my time. So my mask has been on for 15 to 20 minutes now, and what I'm going to do is pop the eye patches off, which are feeling nice and dry because all that goodness has been pushed into my skin, which is lovely. And then I'm going to take my face cloth again and just wipe off any excess mask that's been sitting on my skin. My skin feels really, really nice, really good. Lovely. That's all done. Oh, I really like that. That looks really good. So I'm going to get my moisturizer now. So take 1 sachet of your moisturizer. There is actually quite a lot of moisturizer in here, and I would say you could probably get 2 lots out of 1 sachet. But obviously depending on how dry your skin is or how quickly it's absorbed is depending on how much you need. So just pop your moisturizer all over the face. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this as a glide for our massage tool. Now, if you did have a serum at home, by all means, you can pop on your serum and rather use that for the massage if you wanted to just add that extra element into your facial. It's not necessary, but that will allow you to actually use the massage tool and see how you could use it every day within your routine. So it's a jade roller. You have a smaller side for delicate areas like around the eyes and the marionette lines. And then you've got a lovely large roller over here, which you can use for the bigger, meatier parts. You always want to be rolling out and draining the skin. And what this is going to do is it's going to help with muscle tone. It's going to help with product penetration. And you can actually pop it in the fridge or in a bowl of cold water as well. And what it's going to do is just cool the stones. And it just helps bring a beautiful color to the skin. It helps oxygenate the skin as well, and is just brilliant for increasing that skin tone and that skin color as well. So up and down the eye, up and down the cheeks, and you can go around the eye area. So I quite like doing a figure of 8 around my eyes. I mean, you'll just find that this, with the mask, with the eye patch mask, really, really helps brighten the eye area. Those Illumia eye pads are just so lovely, and combined with a lovely cool jade roller, you really are just getting that ultimate bright eye look. You can go up and down the middle of the forehead. So if you spend a lot of time in front of a screen or you suffer with migraines or headaches, this is really, really good for helping just relieve that tension as well. And like I said, because it's pushing product deeper into the skin, you're going to get a really better hydration to the skin as well. And by all means, use this every day, use it twice a day. You do get quite addicted to the feeling of it. It is really, really relaxing. And you'll actually notice that your products are working better as well. And that's just because they are getting that extra push into the skin. So you can go down the neck as well. So use it along the neck, along the jawline as well. Help just define that jawline a bit more. And then, like I said, with the little one, you can go down your marionette lines as well. Along the lip. I think a lot of people forget their lip, really, and then what I've noticed is that it's one of the things that people always come up to us and say, oh, you know, I've really started noticing that my lip's getting a lot of fine lines around it, and what can I do? And this will definitely help with that skin toning as well as the treatments, having that ability to just plump everything out and get the skin functioning again and get the skin health really, really up. And then you would just repeat the same on the other side, but you can already see the difference in my skin, one being massaged and one not. You can see the pink, the nice colour, it's oxygenated, and actually the product is soaked in beautifully as well. So that is your facial in a box, and like I said, your mask, you've got various uses out of your Protocol Collagen mask. This will become your new best friend. Try and use it every day if you can, if not at least every week. If you have any chocolates left, then enjoy that. Like I said, I've eaten all of mine, so there's none left for me. And any questions or anything, please just pop us an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But otherwise, enjoy your facial. If you do have some videos of your massage, I would love to see them. And yeah, just enjoy yourself, have fun, enjoy your time out, and I look forward to seeing you all again.